This is a very important site in Antwerp. This is actually the headquarters of Compressor Technique business area. And here we design, develop, produce actually most of the compressors that we sell through the world. And we like to call this place the University of Compressed Air. Well, we as Atlas Copco, we are and we want to stay, of course, the market leader. Atlas Copco is known for its premium products. That's why we have the obligation to always make our products and production processes better. We have to make our factories more productive, and we believe we can do that by making them smarter. To make them smarter, we have to use key technologies, and 5G is certainly one of those technologies. That's why we sat together with our partners, Ericsson and Orange.
Ericsson has been in the communication business for 140 years. It took us 100 years to connect all the buildings on Earth, and the last 40 years has been about mobile communication. 1G was voice, 2G was SMS, 3G was data, and 4G was all the billions of apps that you have on your phone. Now, 5G is about industries, and that's why we're here and deploying Industry Connect as a dedicated network on site.
So together with the partners, we rolled out a private mobile network. We brought our mobile connectivity, which means the spectrum and our expertise in devices.
We have deployed a 5G-ready network with the smallest indoor antennas from Ericsson, connecting the shop floor, enabling wireless communication in a very easy way to deploy and configure devices.
This technology gives us the possibility to connect our machines wirelessly instead of the traditional way with cables. We can also connect now moving machines like AGVs, but the real exciting use cases will come when we can make use of the low latency, where we will try to push our production machines to the extreme limits. And of course, localization, being able to see where things are, is a fantastic, valuable thing. The case that wraps it all together for us also is the security. We can all do this in a secure environment.
Orange Belgium guarantees a secure mobile connectivity for the industry. Manufacturers are requiring this kind of setup. They need full availability of the system, 24/7. In addition, they also want to have a protection of their data. Our network enables this.
I am very pleased with the collaboration between Atlas Copco, Ericsson and Orange. You know, when you push technology, it's quite challenging, but we all learned a lot.
Co-innovation is on our DNA. We have more than 20 years of experience in the machine-to-machine business, and with this project, we continue on our expertise in this domain.
We believe that this is just the first step. Imagine when everything is connected, wireless, mobile, and fully flexible. The potential is enormous.
I think the factory of the future will be a lot more autonomous, have a lot more automation and a lot more intelligence. But we will always need skilled people.